right, number 3. What am I going to do first? What's my like terms?
3g squared and 8g squared.
You're looking at the wrong one. Number 9.
Oh, right now.
Yeah.
3x squared. Yeah, squared.
Yeah.
Negative x squared.
There you go. All right, guys. What's 3x squared minus negative 1x squared? Nope. 4x squared. You got to keep that negative in there with that 1. There's 2 negatives. All right, what else we have? Yeah. And 4x. What's negative 7 minus 4? Negative 11x. Yep. And what do I do with this guy right here? You just keep it. There you go. All right, last one. Here we go. Number 10. What are we going to do on this one? Find like terms. What are they?
2c squared, c squared.
Yeah. What's c squared? 2c squared plus c squared. 3c squared. There you go. What else we got?
7c.
Yeah.
Minus 9c.
There you go. What's 7c plus negative 9?
Negative 2c.
Negative 2c. All right, what do I do with these two guys right here?
1 plus 1.
Which is? There you go. Y'all okay? Anybody lost? Life's good? Right? All right, what are we going to do today for ACT? Number 7, right? Okay. We've got a couple of things to do to get ready for your quiz tomorrow. That's why we're only going to do 2 problems. Don't look at it yet. Keep it face down. Keep it face down. Don't look at it. Don't cheat yet. Keep it face down. Don't look yet. All right. Keep it face down. Why did you do your homework last night? All right, so since we're only doing 1 question, how many minutes are you going to get? 1. All right, don't flip it. Get ready. Don't flip it. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That's number 7. All right, here we go. Grab your homework from last night. Here's what we're going to do. There are the answers for last night's homework. I know you cannot see all of them. I'm going to move it just a minute. You check last night's homework while I call your names. When you hear your name, come get the homework from Monday night that I checked. Kenan, Jackson, Julianne, Adriana, and Kate. Piper, Jasmine, Anna, Brianna, Cameron, Matthew, Molly, Brian. Y'all okay on 1 through 6 so far?
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is like the difference of 9 times the number.
Why does the 9 come first? Like the one
Difference of 9 times a number. And this one. Oh, it should. It should. That should be backwards. Oh. Thank you, Kenna. I just realized that. That's what I get for doing things too fast. Switch those around.
I got to put for 2.
For 2? Yeah.
4x plus 3. Is that right? Or no?
Without the parentheses?
Yeah.
No, that is not right. Because see, look, you see how you have the times and the sum right next to each other? That's what tells you to use the parentheses. Because you can't have a times and then a plus with nothing in between them. You can't have 2 operations right there. That's what tells you that. Anything else on 1 through 6? Are y'all okay? I'm sorry about that on number 4, guys. All right, I know we didn't do 11 and 12, so don't look at those, okay? All right, let me finish calling these out. Harrison, Jesse, Avery, Braden. Oh, Braden, I'm trying to get that sticking out. Peyton, Wendy, Gage, Garrett, Rand, Gabe, and Wyatt. All right, anything on 7 through 10 that we can go over? 7 through 10, anybody? 7 through 10, anybody? No? All right, here we go. Here we go. What are we going to do today first? We did math workshop. We did ACT. We just reviewed the homework.
Notes, page 9 and 10.
Notes, page 9 and 10, go. All right, you see your partner? You got your partner in your sight? You see him? We're going to work together again. All right, we're going to work on page 9. And then we're going to do page 10 together, okay? So y'all go to your partners, and work on page 9. Go to your partners and work on page 9. And we're going to work on 10 together. All right, let's go. Page 9. Hold on. Say that again? Same thing, you're just letting it freak you out because it has letters.
Alright, so you take 6 and you try to get 2 times 6.
Alright, we're going to talk about 8 and 9. Don't worry, it's okay if you get a crazy answer for 8 and 9. Don't freak out. Yeah? Alright, y'all okay on the first one on 7? What'd y'all get? Looks like y'all are already pretty good on it. -3? Yeah? Does anybody need me to go over this one? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Here, you just gonna put it up here, or do you want to actually go over it? No. Alright, Garrett, you ready? You ready, Garrett? Garrett!
What?
Are you, what?
Sorry, I was talking to
Did he help you? Did you get it?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, here we go. It's alright. You ready? So you got 2/3 times 6. Make 6 a fraction. It's over 1. Okay so far? Alright, so you got 12 over 3. What's 12 over 3? 4. Gage is trying to help you out. There you go. Alright, then you got 2/3 times 18. Negative fraction, right? Okay, so you got 36 over 3. What's 36 over 3? -12. There you go. Alright, then you're going to do the 3/4, okay? So you got 3/4 times 8, negative fraction. So you got 24 over 4. What's 24 over 4? Okay. Am I going too fast? Sorry. Y'all keep working on page 9, okay? I know some of y'all are struggling on the bottom. What, 24 over 4? Yeah, 60. Okay, then you got 3/4 times 32 over 1. So let's see, that's 96 over 4. What's that give you?
24.
You good with that? Alright, look, then you're going to combine. 4c and 6c is 10c. -12 and 24 is a +12. You okay so far?
Yeah.
Alright, subtract the 12. Divide by 10 and you get -3. Yeah? We're going to go over those together. Like, hold on, almost. Yeah. All right, what about number 8? What y'all get on number 8?
No solution.
Ooh, look at you go. Very nice. So you should have gotten something to the effect of 7 equals -8, or a couple of you got like 0 equals 15 or something like that, okay? Do they equal each other? No matter what you got. It doesn't matter if you got 7 equals -8. It doesn't matter if you got 0 equals 15. They do not equal. That's why it's no solution. Got it good? All right. What about number 9? Look at y'all go, remembering all that stuff. Nice job. Look, do I even have to take it any further? Do I have to? Does 5h minus 7 equal 5h minus 7? Yeah, they equal each other. That's why it's all real numbers. You mean to show you the symbol for all real numbers? You ready? You know the symbol? It's a bolded R. That's the symbol. You can just write that instead of all those words. All right. Are y'all letting the bottom ones get you?
Yes.
Some of us are. Okay, let me walk you through. You ready? Okay, look at number 1. What do the directions tell you to do?
Solve the equation for specified variable.
What's the specified variable in number 1?
H.
H, right? Okay, now look, guys. All this mumbo jumbo stuff gets me all messed up. So I have to write it over here. Well, I don't have to anymore, but I used to have to write it over there, okay? And then I would just kind of circle the one I was looking for. Does that make sense to everybody? So if you need to do that, if it helps you look at it, you do that. What's the only operation you see?
Multiplication.
What's the only thing you can do that's opposite of multiplication?
Divide.
You're going to divide, right? What are you going to divide by?
Pi, Q.
I know, I probably should have put a different letter in there. Pi, Q, Q, right? Are y'all okay? So you're going to divide by those. So divide by those real quick. Come on, let's divide by. Go back.
I'm confused on which one to 15.
The first one. Y'all get right there? Okay. Can I do anything to all this mumbo jumbo over here?
No.
No. Can I do anything right here?
No. Oh, well, it cancels out.
They cancel out. There you go. I cancel them out. And then all I got left is H, right? Did I do what it wanted me to do? Did I solve for H? So I'm done. Just use that noggin, okay? All right, number 2. What's it want you to solve for? A. You got a whole bunch of stuff with it, okay? See if you and your partner can get through that one. It's okay if you make a mistake. That's why they made erasers, okay?
Yeah, 1 minus 8.
Nice. No, not yet. not the x squared, not the x squared.
Oh, you got it.
Okay. All right, maybe this will help y'all on number 2. You ready? Here's a little hint. Think about it like this. If I had that, I would not divide by 9 first. Because a lot of y'all are trying to divide by all this stuff right here. You're not multiplying all of that. You're only multiplying this piece. What would I do first right here?
I mean, add.
You'd add that 7, right? So you got that thinking in your head? Now see if you can start the first step on this one, okay? See if you can try that. Oh well, life of a teacher. You'll be alright. It'll come off. Yeah. Good. Now let's see where I mark this up. I got it off the word. You weren't even paying attention all that way. No. I just said that. Oh yeah, now that's not said. You're trying to divide. You're not going to divide. We'll have to do it like 9x minus 7 first. Do that first. No, not the x squared. The x squared is being multiplied. The x squared is being multiplied. So I can't move him.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's right.
I know, but you can do that right here.
So you're gonna get
Plus y equals the a equals the ax squared, right? All right. So what would I move first?
BX.
You'd minus the bx, right? All right. So you got y minus bx equals ax squared plus c. Now I'm going to subtract the c. There you go. A lot of y'all did this in one step. I was very, very proud of y'all. That was nice. Okay, so you got y minus bx minus c equals ax squared. Is it okay if it's in a different order? As long as the y is positive, the bx is negative, and the c is negative. It doesn't matter the order, okay? All right, then what would I do to get a by itself?
Divide by x squared.
There you go, and then we done. So a equals y minus bx minus c over x squared. Y'all okay? All right, what about the last one? What would you do on the last one? No, I could. It's not wrong. But what is it wanting me to solve for? A is almost by itself, guys. Right? It's almost there. So what did you want to do first? And don't say move B.
Move D.
Move D. Because the B is attached, right? Because of those parentheses, it makes it attached. Now what could I do? Divide by what? There you go, because you're multiplying right here. So we divide by C. Alright, one more thing, and then I'll have A by itself. Minus the B. Now watch how I write this. You ready? So I'm going to have the whole fraction to itself, and then that minus B goes out to the side. Are y'all okay? Did you let it defeat you, or did you push through it and tell it who's boss? You're trying to push through it?
I distributed first.
You still get the same. You get the same answer, just looks different. You mean to show you? So you should got CA plus CB minus D equals F, right?
Yeah.
So then you added the D, and let's see, we're trying to get A, so you got CA equals F plus D minus CB, right? Then you divided by C. Yeah.
Is that still right then?
Yeah, it's still the same thing. It just looks different.
So you do either way.
Over C.
So you do either way, right?
Yes. Could look at this. You may show you. This is over 1, right? How do you make those have the same denominator? What does this have?
C.
How do I make this have a C? No, you just multiply it by, look. You multiply it by C, right? Multiply it by C, because then they would cancel and still give you the same thing. And see, look, it's the same thing. Same thing. Okay? Yes, sir. Yes, 1 second. Are y'all okay on that? Alright, let's flip to page 10 real quick. Flip to page 10. Here we go. Last little things, and then we're almost done. Where's my page 10? Oh, there it is. Okay, last two. I want you to try 4 and 5, and then we're going to do absolute values together. I want you to try 4 and 5, okay?
So that's the question. Do we use do first?
Hold on 1 second. Okay, how did we get rid of those fractions? Do you remember? Remember? Multiply by the denominator, which is 5. So if I multiply by the denominator here, what happens to those 5s? They cancel. So you have 2y plus 5x. Yeah, because if you did it to the fraction, you got to do it to everything else. You got to balance it out. All right, what am I supposed to be solving for? Y, right here. What can I do to get y by itself? Not yet? There you go. Subtract the 5x. So I have 2y equals 5z minus 5x. One more step, go.
What about you?
Divide by 2. Are y'all okay? What you got, Ken?
But I got 5 over 2.
Yeah.
And then parentheses.
Yeah.
Minus x.
Yep, same thing. Same thing. You just pulled out, you factored out that 5. Remember doing that from geometry and algebra 1? And so that's where that 5 over 2 is, okay? Same thing. All right, number 5, here we go. You only have 2 operations. What you got, Rhiannon?
Question number 4.
Yeah.
Identify x minus 5z, but that's cool.
No. If you did negative 5x plus 5z, then yes, that is right. Because, like, look, Rand, if you did 5 minus 7, but then 7 minus 5, they're not the same thing. One's positive 2, one's negative 2, okay? All right, number 5, what would you do first? Trying to get y by itself. Multiply by what? 2. Look at y'all go. Look at you. You telling those problems who's boss. All right, 2's cancel out. You got x plus y equals. Now, how do I write this? 2b. Very good. All right, and then minus x, Brayden. Very good. All right, so you got y equals 2b minus x. Boom, you're done. Y'all okay? Yeah? All right, here we go. Let's do some absolute value problems. And then we'll call it a day, okay? All right, here we go. Write it down, highlight it, start. You ready? What kind of problems are these? And anytime you have an absolute value, you have how many answers?
2.
2. Always. Except for number 2, you'll have a little different problem. All right, here we go. You ready? Watch, watch, watch. What happens if this whole thing equals negative 9? It still turns into positive 9, right? So I'm going to say negative 9 equals D plus 5. Did I change that plus 5 to anything? No, don't touch it. What happens if this whole inside was positive 9? It'd still be positive 9. Did I touch anything with that 5? Did I make that 5 anything else than positive 5?
No.
No. What's the only thing that changed? The outside number. There you go. All right, here we go. How do I solve this for D? Subtract the 5, yeah. So you get negative 14 equals D. All right, how do I solve this one? There you go. So I get 4 equals D. I'm on my quiz tomorrow, and I'm like, I have no idea if this is right or not. Let's plug it in. You ready? What's negative 14 plus 5? Negative 9. Oh, but then the absolute values make it equal to positive 9, right? All right, plug it in. 4. What's 4 plus 5? And absolute values still make it positive. Y'all okay? All right, here we go. Number 2, you have to get the absolute values by itself first. What's with the absolute values that shouldn't be? Divide by 3. There you go, Braden. Very good. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is 0 divided by 3?
0.
Oh, it's still 0. All right, let's look back at number 1. The only thing that changed was what? The outside number, right? What's my outside number here?
Positive and negative.
Can I have a negative 0? So how many answers are we going to get here? Just this is the only exception. This is the only exception. Any other time you're going to get 2. All right, then we're going to add 4, divide by 2. And what's my answer? 2. I'm on a quiz Thursday, and I'm like, I don't know if that's right. Plug it in. What's 2 times 2?
4.
Minus 4 is?
0.
There you go. All right, here we go. Let's look at number 3. I got a whole bunch of stuff with my absolute values. What do I have with the absolute values that should not be there? The 4 and the minus 8. Very nice. Which one do I have to move first?
8.
There you go. Let's add that 8 over. All right, I got one more thing. How do I get rid of that 4? Divide it. There you go. Okay, do 2 times. We're not going to finish that out, okay? Are y'all okay with the setup, though? All right, let's go to the next one. Here we go, number 4. Ready, ready, Freddie? Do I have anything with the absolute values? No. Okay, so here we go. You ready? What's the only thing that changes? Oh, I got a whole bunch of outside numbers right here, right? Okay, so very first one, don't touch it. Leave it alone. Exact same thing. Y'all okay so far? All right, but what did we do to the other one? We make the other one a negative. And in order to make the whole side a negative, what do I have to use? Parentheses. Very good. All right, here we go. What could I do to get these y's together? Add the 3 or subtract the 6. Either one. Let's add the 3, though, okay? All right, then we're going to subtract 25. So you get negative 27 equals 9. Divide -3. Y'all okay? Alright, what's this little guy right here do?
Change the sign.
There you go. We're going to change the signs. So we got positive 3y plus 2 equals 6y plus 25. Alright, how do we get the 3 and the 6 together this time? Which one you want to move? Yeah, let's move the 3. That'll make our lives easy. Alright, then we're going to subtract the 25. Divide by 3. Does that divide all nice, neat, and pretty? No, so we're just going to leave it a fraction. Remember, fractions are our friend in Algebra 2 with Trig. Especially in pre-AP Algebra 2 with Trig. Just saying. Y'all okay? Alright, one more. Here we go. Last one. It's easy, easy, easy. Ready? Gotta get the absolute values by itself. What's with the absolute values? Plus 8 and 2. Which one you gotta move first? Go.
8.
There you go. Alright, how do I get rid of that 2? Yeah. Alright, here we go. You ready? What's it equal?
-1.
What's wrong about that?
You can't have a negative answer for absolute value.
Wait a minute, but I thought number 3 I had a negative answer, didn't I? Didn't I have a -7?
You changed the 5.
How?
Because we moved 8.
There you go. You got everything away from it, right? Does that make sense to everybody? So if I cannot have a negative answer as an absolute value, what do I call this? No solution. Look how smart y'all are. Look at you go. Get it, gotta go. Y'all okay? Yes? No? Maybe I'm being quiet today. Y'all okay? Alright, you got a checkpoint today. It's only 3 problems. It should be really easy. Put my desk back where they're supposed to be.
You have to get 100 on this?
Yep. Alright, when's your quiz?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, which means that you have to hustle and get 100 on this. That way you can take your quiz tomorrow. Should be really easy though. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. You have to stay right there real quick. Get one of those. And then you can go, okay? Yes. The first one. Oh, yeah. No, she got one already. Yeah. All right, I'm going to come by and start checking them, okay, so we can try to get this done for the bell rings. Let's talk about your homework real quick. Your homework is the first 1 through 15 odd, okay? It's the first one you see. Just the odd ones, okay? Just the odd ones. That's your homework tonight.